In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot step by step so you can clearly understand which AI tool is better for your workflow in 2026. If you're deciding between Notion AI and Copilot for productivity, writing, or task management, this tutorial will walk you through a simple, hands-on comparison using Notion itself. Make sure to stick around to the end, and if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. From here, create a new page. You can do this by clicking on the New Page option in the sidebar. This blank page will be used to run our comparison using Notion AI. Once the new page is open, click anywhere on the page to bring up the editor. Now look for the Notion AI option. You can usually access this by typing a slash on your keyboard and selecting Notion AI, or by clicking the Notion AI button if it appears in your workspace. When Notion AI opens, you'll see a prompt box where you can start interacting with it. At this point, click on Add Context. This step is important because it allows Notion AI to understand what kind of task you're working on. Adding context helps generate more accurate and useful responses, especially when you're doing a comparison between two tools. After adding context, click into the prompt field and type in Compare Notion AI and Copilot AI. Be clear and specific because this is what tells Notion AI to generate a side-by-side style comparison. Once you press Enter, Notion AI will start generating content that compares features, use cases, strengths, and limitations of Notion AI versus Microsoft Copilot. Take a moment to read through the output carefully. You'll typically see differences in areas like integration, ease of use, writing assistance, automation, and how each tool fits into daily workflows. This makes it much easier to decide which AI assistant is better for your needs, whether you're a student, creator, or professional. You can also refine the comparison by asking follow-up questions, such as which tool is better for writing, project management, or working with documents and spreadsheets. This interactive approach gives you real insights instead of just reading blog posts or marketing pages. And that's really all there is to it. You've now successfully used Notion AI to compare Notion AI and Microsoft Copilot in a simple, practical way. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion, AI, and productivity software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.